SVC-041-0012, Resolution 6, Inspection for Alarm Code 7, Thermocouple. This procedure applies to the Inferno 3500, Inferno GC, and Inferno 4500. It should be performed only by an approved service provider. Use the table of content embedded in the description of this video to skip ahead to the desired topic. Determine the symptoms. The ignition module is inside the machine room compartment behind the control panel. It will be needed if the rotisserie's alarm lamp is flashing rapidly and the ignition module's LED is flashing rapidly. Alarm code 7. This means that we have a reversed yellow and red thermocouple wires or short circuit connection between any yellow and red wires or between any yellow wire and the ground. You will need 1 socket wrench set or adjustable open wrenches, 1 number 2 Phillips screwdriver, 1 flat screwdriver, 1 multimeter. A. Remove the left-hand side access panel to uncover the thermocouple as shown. Remove and inspect the thermocouple for damage and verify the connections. For the Inferno 3500 and GC, if the thermocouple is supported by the old generation block holder, replace it with the new holder. Part number 99-16380. B. Check the resistance of each yellow and red pair. Black probe to yellow, red probe to red. Confirm that both resistance readings are equal, plus or minus 1 ohm. If this condition is not met, the thermocouple requires replacement. Continue troubleshooting the wiring and ignition module in any case. C. With the thermocouple disconnected, reset power, open the door for 3 seconds, and retry a preheat cycle. If the alarm lamp flashes rapidly and the ignition module's LED is steady on, the wires and module are good. Proceed to lower the flame temperature only if the thermocouple is not defective. First, close the primary air gap by a slight fraction, 1/16 of an inch. Second, reconnect the thermocouple and retry a preheat cycle. Third, repeat this adjustment as necessary. 2. If the alarm lamp flashes rapidly and the ignition module's LED flashes rapidly, disconnect the wires from the ignition module and retry a preheat cycle. First, if both the alarm lamp and the ignition module LED flash rapidly, the ignition module is defective and requires a replacement. Second, if the alarm lamp flashes rapidly and the ignition module's LED is steady on, the wiring is defective and requires a replacement. D. Proceed to the next applicable resolution outlined in the table of contents SVC-041-0006 to correct any other symptom if applicable. E. Reinstall the left and right hand side access panels and restore power to the rotisserie once all symptoms are corrected. This concludes Video Service Guide Resolution 6, Inspection for Alarm Code 7, Thermocouple, SVC-041-0012. Reference: Thermal Sensing Ignition System Service Guide, SVC-026-0010 for Inferno 3500 and GC, or Thermal Sensing Ignition System Service Guide, SVC-026-0019 for Inferno 4500. Contact Hardt if you require these references. You can also consult them online from Hardt's secured web page for service companies. For any assistance, call Hardt at 1-800-387-6847.